everybody, it's Vicki Kidder, Scentsy Director with Team Scented Style. First off, please excuse my eyes. I'm going to be rubbing them. I have the worst allergies, but I'm excited to share my Scentsy Club with you. It just came and I'm so excited to share it. So first things first, I bumped up the amount of cotton cleanups that I needed because these things keep selling out because they're so good. So now I went from 1 bag to 2. So yay, and they're back in stock. So if you need cotton cleanups, now's the time. Okay, and I think I only had like 3 left, so I've been waiting for my club to come. So I got 2 packs of those. I also got this half price. I got my Johnny Appleseed Counter Clean, which I love for work. And it's funny because last night I used the last of mine and I was like, oh, please remember to bring Counter Clean to work because I clean my work truck with it. So I need to make sure I stick this in my bag ASAP. Okay, so now the bars. Now I've been doing some rearranging because a couple of my bars are actually available in the fall winter catalog. So I took those out. I made a second one, which I reviewed last week. It's a smaller one. And so this is my one that I get every month. So let's see what I got. Sorry, it's gonna be loud. Oh my gosh, this bag smells so good. My ice packs. Okay, so let's start pulling them out. I'm just gonna dump them out. It's gonna be loud. Sorry about that. Sorry. Oh, I'm excited about these because I used my last bar of this yesterday. Okay, so first things first. Let's see. Get them all together. All the ones that are samesies. Okay. So first things first is my toasted marshmallow. I always get 4 of these. I use these in my living room. It's a nice strong scent. We have a litter robot, which is a kitty litter robot machine thing. And that's, you know, I have 4 cats. So like I always worry. It's in the living room. And I always worry that people can smell cat. The worst smell ever, right? Love my cats, hate their stink. So I always get 4 of these because this, I don't know what it is about this scent, but it just knocks out any sort of anything. So I always got that going. The next one I got is Lavender Violet. I actually took this out of my club. I have a lot of it and I still have my COVID nose. And so I haven't been warming it because I can't really smell it as good warm as I can. Oh, gosh, my eye. As I can in the bar. I absolutely love it. But now I have so much of it and I'm like, ooh, I better take that out because I can't smell it and I don't know when I'm going to get my scent back. So I just went ahead and took it out. But I was getting 2 bars of it because I love it, but can't smell it. Okay, I got, and that was from the Life's a Garden collection. Another one that I love, which I kept in because I can smell it from the Life's a Garden collection, is the Strawberry Basil. And so I have been warming this. And it is just, oh my gosh, you guys. Such a good strawberry. I love this one. Absolutely love it. And I can smell that one. I got my Peppermint Dreams back, which is my tied, actually it's my favorite holiday bar. And it's tied for first with my other bar, Banana Nut Bread, of my all-time favorite scents. So I've just been stashing this till Christmas because this is all I'm going to warm. This and a couple others that are very similar. The Banana Nut Bread, it is absolutely to die for. I hope it comes back and bring back my bar because I have customers who want to put this in their club. I think, yeah, it's Friday. You can still vote. So go vote for Bring Back My Bar. This I've been using like crazy. I think I have like 2 cubes left. It's from the Catching Z's collection. It's called Shut Eye, and I always get 2 bars, but I go through it. Man, I wish I would have put 3 bars in. That's the problem. If you don't put enough, sorry, I'm so sorry, you guys. My eyes have been burning for like 3 weeks. If you don't put enough in your club, because you can go down, but you can't go up, then you're like bummed out. Oh my gosh, this is such a good scent. So I love that one. Another one that I love for my bedroom is Woolly Slippers. I go through this like crazy. I put this in my club a long time ago, and I love it. It is, oh man, that's so good. It's the most cozy, like, the best bedroom scent. I just love it. And this is her little sister. What's this one? This one's Fuzzy Blanket and Woolly Slippers. These are so similar, and I just love them to pieces. They're so good. This one has more of like a, this one is also, it's like a cross between Woolly Slippers and Jammy Time. I just love it. I love it. And then I have Banana Berry, which I love. I don't smell the berry in it, just the banana, but the banana is a good banana. I love that one. And then I got my Cutie Pie Cupcake, which I love. I warm this one in my bedroom a lot. My daughter's over there smiling at me. Hi, Taylor. So good. Cutie Pie Cupcake. Smells just like cupcake. So that is my Scentsy Club. I actually added the scent, which is the scent of the month for July. It is a very good bedroom scent. So I'm warming the heck out of that. It's called Stargazing. And I have a bar of it over there. That's way over there. It's a dark blue bar. And it's amazing. And it reminds me of Jammy Time and Woolly Slippers and Fuzzy Blanket. It's like the same kind of like cozy bedroom scent. And I love it. Anyway, so if you have never heard of Scentsy Club, as you see, I got bars that none of these are available right now. None of them. What it is it's a subscription that you build yourself. On my website, you can put as many bars and whatever quantity that you want. And like I said earlier, you can go down, but you can't go up. So it's always best to put in more than you think you need and then go down. You get 10% off your order, and you always get your bar. So let's say you are literally the only one on the planet that loves strawberry basil. I doubt it, but what if you were? They would legit make this for you, whatever your Scentsy Club is. Because like I said, you can get it every month, every other month, every 3 months. So they would legit make it for you personally. So that's what I love about it, is you can keep scents that are no longer available and still get them, which is great. 10% off your order. And once you hit $60, which I did, you get a half off item. Now, as a consultant, I used to get the whiff box. I figured, well, you're already getting, which this is what you should do, is get that whiff box. The whiff box is already a great deal because you're getting more than what you're paying for. But then you get half off, use your half off, and then it's only $15 for like a ton of stuff. But it ships later on in the month, so I decided to just go ahead and remove that from my club and just order it on the 1st every month so I can share it with you all early. So you can see if you want it or not. Maybe you don't want it. I don't know. Maybe it's something you're like, I have to have that one. So that's what I got with my half off. I got this. So it's normally $10. I paid $5 for it, right? I'm not paying full price. No way. Anyway, you guys, so that's my Scentsy Club for the month of July. And I'm so excited because a few of these, like, I use this like crazy. I need it. I need this. I need it all. I can't live without it. I'm bougie like that. Anyway, you guys, have a great day and I'll talk to you later. Bye.